Measuring the success of your posts is a critical component of social media marketing. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. It's important to check your analytics regularly to spot trends and see what's working. When you're reviewing different metrics, it can be tough to understand which measurement is most important. So here is a breakdown of some key terms for Facebook analytics. First, page likes. Page likes are the number of people who have liked your page. The default setting is if a user likes a page, they automatically follow it, meaning your posts could appear in their timelines. However, a user can like a page but unfollow it. This is why there's a separate listing for page likes and followers. Next, post reach. This is the number of people whose screens your post appeared on, broken into total, organic, and paid reach if applicable. Reach simply means your post reached these people, but it doesn't imply that they looked at it or engaged with it. Impressions. Impressions is the number of times your post has been seen. The difference between reach and impression is that there can be multiple impressions on the same person, which is ideal. The marketing rule of 7 states that the prospect needs to hear or see a message at least 7 times before they'll take action. Engagement. This is the total number of times someone has interacted or engaged with a post. Engagement is one of the most important metrics across social media platforms because it shows if people are interacting with your posts. Clicks, comments, likes, reactions, and shares all count as engagement, and your engagement rate is the number of engagements divided by the number of impressions. Lastly, actions on your page. This is an important metric because it shows the number of clicks on your business's contact information and on the call to action button. Facebook Insights are free to all business pages and designed to help you understand your audience and how they interact with your posts. Engagement is one of the most important metrics on Facebook because of the newsfeed algorithm. If you are not receiving engagement, your content will have low reach and a small opportunity to be seen or acted on. Define your marketing objectives to determine which of these metrics is most important to your business. Every data point is an opportunity to better your social media strategy. If you have questions on how to pull and review social media analytics across various platforms, reach out to us. We're here to help. Until then, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week on another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.